Christmas cactus is blooming. I need more coffee. Well, it's quite the way to start a Monday. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning. I've been cleaning since about 7 because this guy right here was brown this morning and there were puppy paw prints everywhere. So I've swept after it dried and I've been cleaning everything. What do you have to say for yourself? He's mad because he's exiled from his own room. But the only good thing is since his paw prints were so muddy, as you can literally see everywhere he's been, including trying to sneak into the cookie jar. So clearly this needs to be moved up. I knew he was gonna find it eventually. I just didn't think he'd quite find it this fast. The only thing he hasn't necessarily tried to get, at least, he's found it. But on top of that is his other cookies, and that's open. What are you doing? Also, just to clarify, he didn't do anything wrong. He has a doggy door. What's this thing? That we open at night. Obviously, usually that stuff's over here somewhere. And he just goes in and out and in and out. So because it's raining, it got very muddy. Do you see him right now? He's just watching me. Mad. So typically, he only comes anywhere else over here when the store's closed, because usually Atlas means he's in here. And since I get along so well. But look at that restraint. Oh.
Putting a different bed in here.
Yes, so he is deep cleaning his room because we're gonna put a bigger bed. So we're gonna put it over here though, so it goes all the way out to here. It's just the full versus a twin, so it's not a huge difference, but got a lot of cleaning to do. This is pretty much how his room looks all the time.
Not that.
You're right,
it's
that's
a lot
too
more clean
organized.
than this, guys.
So,
the laundry thing goes right here, and then I made a tiny entertainment center that goes right here, so it's not that bad.
anyways, ready to keep going?
Yeah.
Are you excited for a new bed?
Yes.
Okay. Trying to find the dog. I've lost him. So because I've been up cleaning the dog in the room since freaking early this morning, it's turned into a cleaning day. It's just one of those days where one project after another project after another project. So I've pretty much deep cleaned the entire house today. I'm freaking tired. And yes, I'm still in my jammies. And yes, these are my Christmas jammies because I'm not allowed to decorate for Christmas yet. So I'm wearing my Christmas jammies, so deal with it. Anyways, almost done. What just happened? What the heck, man? Where'd you just come from? You guys, look. I am like the worst plant mom. I can't keep anything alive, but my Christmas cactus is blooming. I'm gonna put it in this pot. I just haven't yet. So excited. Ed just got new tires for his car, and I don't think they're gonna fit, so he's gonna be really upset. So he's outside doing that. I'm tired. He's tired. I'm doing nothing all day. Me too, kid. Me too. My mom brought me eggs today. Thanksgiving's my favorite holiday. And we fixed our stove today so that we can not have Thanksgiving here. Took a break from cleaning house to go eat. I'm freaking hungry. We're at this new place. I don't know if you can see it. Route 99 in Brooks. Haven't been here before. I'm excited. Editing right now, and I realized that I never closed this vlog. We ran into Ed's boss and his family at the restaurant, and then I just forgot. On another note, we've moved this over here because we're doing some bed stuff for Cody, and I think Atlas is so happy because I can pet him. He's been here for like hours and hours and hours. I don't think he's ever moving. Anyways, thanks for coming along, guys. We'll see you next time.